Hello guys! Naimbag nga adlaw kada kayo amin. This is Tina and Mark together with our family in Vigan, Ilocos. At syempre kapag sinabing vegan, we cannot miss to bring home vegan longganisa and bagnet. And the popular place to go, Irmas. Medyo maraming tourists that time nung pumunta kami na namimili rin ng pasalubong. But before buying, we wanna try if masarap talaga yung bagnet nila. Kaya nagtanong ako guys if meron silang free taste. Nakita ko kasi yung bagnet nila na bagong hango sa kawali. It looks so appetizing kasi golden brown yung pagkakaluto at saka looking so crispy on the outside. Di naman kami nabigo and we were able to taste it for free. And true enough, masarap nga yung timpla nila. A little bit salty and very crispy. Na-enjoy namin yung free taste nila, that's why we bought na. Dinagdagan na rin namin pampasalubong for the rest of the family and friends. Also, yung vegan longganisa is a bestseller. Wala silang free taste pero bumili pa rin kami because of the reviews and popularity of Irmas for its longganisa. Thereafter, we headed on to the must-see UNESCO-declared heritage site in Vigan, Calle Crisologo, which is one of my favorite places to see once I'm here. It will get you back in time because of its old and well-preserved cobblestone street where you can only move around using kalesa. Not to mention yung mga interesting establishments along the area like restos, hotels, cafes, and souvenir and pasalubong shops that you can check out. Of course, we cannot miss to feast their authentic vegan empanada. This one is highly recommended because ang sarap talaga. Crispy on the outside tapos di nagtipid sa itlog sa kalungganisa. Perfectly paired with their suka. Ubos agad. We really enjoyed our vegan trip guys. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and till our next destination. Keep safe and enjoy the rest of the day.